Hey everyone. Today we're diving into how to start selling digital products online using Gumroad, a beginner-friendly platform that makes selling simple, even if you're just starting out. First things first, signing up is super easy. You can create an account using your email or quickly register through Facebook, Google, or Stripe. Once you've done that, Gumroad guides you through basic setup steps, like activating your account and adjusting notification preferences. You can also set your support email so your customers can reach you directly and even tweak regional pricing if you want to sell to buyers from different countries. These initial settings might seem small, but they're essential for managing customer support efficiently and ensuring your products are priced appropriately for global audiences. Now, store customization and payment setup. After setting up your account, it's time to personalize your store. You can edit your store name, URL, logo, fonts, and colors to reflect your brand identity. While the layout options are somewhat limited, this customization still allows your store to look professional and branded. You can even add team members, giving them specific roles and permissions, which is great if you're collaborating with others. Next is the payment setup. Gumroad requires you to verify your identity, usually by submitting proof of residency. You can also choose how often you want to get paid and set payout thresholds. This step ensures your finances run smoothly and helps you optimize timing and costs of withdrawals. With your store personalized and payments set up, you're ready to move on to the exciting part, uploading your first product. Now comes creating and publishing a product on Gumroad. You can sell a wide range of digital products such as ebooks, online courses, memberships, or even services. Gumroad allows flexible pricing options, including fixed prices, pay what you want, and even installment plans. When uploading your product, you can add multiple files in different formats, include images, write detailed descriptions, and even add personalized thank you messages for buyers. You can preview your product page before publishing and even customize sections on your Gumroad homepage to highlight multiple products. This makes your storefront look polished and encourages buyers to explore more of what you offer. Now, advanced features and marketing tools. Once your products are live, Gumroad offers some advanced features to grow your business. You can invite team members to collaborate and even share revenue. The platform supports affiliate programs, letting others promote your products for a commission. There are also tools for checkout customization, so you can add fields, discounts, or special instructions for buyers. On the marketing side, Gumroad integrates email tools that let you send newsletters or automate emails directly to your subscribers. These features help you engage with your audience, increase repeat purchases, and manage your store efficiently, all without relying on external apps. Plus, detailed sales analytics and payout tracking give you insight into how your products are performing so you can make smarter decisions. Now let's talk about pros, cons, and tips for success. Finally, let's talk about the pros and cons of Gumroad. The benefits are clear. There's no upfront cost. Digital delivery is built in, setup is simple, and email tools are integrated for easy marketing. However, there are some downsides. Transaction fees are relatively high, about 10% plus 50 cents per sale, plus credit card processing fees. Also, the layout customization is limited, which may bother sellers looking for full design control. The Discover Marketplace exists, but it doesn't drive huge traffic, so you'll likely need to promote your store externally. A tip for boosting revenue. After a purchase, you can integrate tools like Auber for upselling or cross-selling, which increases revenue per customer without extra effort. Finally, conclusion. So, there you have it. Gumroad is an excellent platform for beginners who want to start selling digital products quickly and easily, even without a website. From simple account setup and store customization to product creation, marketing tools, and payment management, it handles most of the heavy lifting for you. While it has some limitations like fees and design flexibility, it's a perfect starting point to test your products, make your first sales, and learn the ropes of selling online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because in the next video, we'll explore advanced tips to scale your Gumroad store and maximize profits.